Hello, welcome everyone. You are at the Department of Economics, Management and Sociology of ESALQ USP, known as LES. For those who are already part of our daily life, this is just a reminder of what unites us. For those just arriving, it is an invitation. Get to know a department that trains individuals with a global and critical vision, encourages proactivity and citizenship, and produces scientific knowledge connected to the challenges of sustainable development in the country. In the next few minutes, you will see how this story was built, what we teach, what we research, and how we connect with society. Because what happens here does not begin at end today's event, nor does it end when it is over. When we look back, history helps us to understand the strength of the department today. ESALQ was born from a funding gesture. In 1892, Luiz Vicente de Souza Queiroz donated his farm to make the creation of the school possible. Decades later, in 1937, Professor Érico da Rocha Nobre expanded the teaching of rural economics and gave momentum to research in the field. In 1972, the Department of Economics, Management and Sociology was officially created, consolidating a path that unites teaching, researching, and social impact. This evolution is also reflected in our degree programs. In 1995, the licentiate degree in agricultural sciences emerged. In 1998, the economics program began at ESALQ, and in 2011, the management program started. These are milestones that show how the department expanded and became a reference in applied economics, management, and social themes, connected to the context of agribusiness and organizations. Nowadays, LES operates directly at the heart of ESALQ. In undergraduate education, the department offers courses for 7 university programs and plays a central role in 2 of them. It is responsible for 100% of the management courses and 91% of the economic courses. When we talk about graduate studies, the department hosts the graduate program in applied economics and the graduate program in administration, expanding the training of master's and doctoral studies with a scientific basis and connection to the country's challenges. Research has been a structural hallmark of the department since the 1960s. Initiatives such as projects and graduate programs have helped qualify scientific production and consolidate LES as a space for applied investigation, with themes spanning economics, organizations, education, public policy, sustainability, regional development, and social dynamics. The logic is simple: produce rigorous knowledge that is useful to the society and the public debate. Here, extension, it is not an extra. It is the bridge and a connection. LES brings together multiple initiatives that put students and professors in contact with real-world problems, projects with organizations, content production, and events that bring the academic community closer to the external public. It is in this environment that opportunities, partnerships, and career paths emerge. All of this takes place in a structure designed to support daily teaching and academic life, classrooms, computers, labs, a library, and study and social spaces. But beyond the academic side, LES also houses infrastructure for institutional communication and content production, featuring a studio and dissemination routines that keep the department alive for those inside and those just arriving. And just a quick reminder for those who are listening, the department, it is not just what happens in the classroom, it is also made of people. Today, LES is composed of 48 faculty members, support teams, and a student community totaling 341 numbers of undergraduate students and 946 number of graduate students. LES also has 14 classrooms, 3 auditoriums, 3 laboratories, and 24 research and extension groups, initiatives, and a media structure that organizes, translates what happens in the department into accessible information for the community. And in the end, LES is exactly that, a department that trains people, produces knowledge, and connects university and society with seriousness, method, and a vision for the future. And a request to you, the viewer, look at this space with more attention, because what happens here does not stay here, connecting with people to knowledge that transforms.